Hello everybody and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be looking at the area of triangles, and it's all based off of law of sines, and really that's it. Really not too much of law of cosines. Let's take a look. The area of a triangle containing an angle C with adjacent sides of lengths A and B is 1/2 AB sine C. Now, you learned back in geometry, the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, and that was a right triangle because if you take the sine of 90 degrees, well, what's the sine of 90 degrees? That's right, it's 1. So that's why this works. So you got to remember that you use this formula. This is the area formula. You use the area formula when you have side, angle, side. When you have SAS, that's when you want to use this, is when you have side, angle, side. All right? So find the area of a triangle shown in the figure below. Do we have side, angle, side? Yeah, we have the side 5 centimeters, we have the angle 153, and we have the other side 6 centimeters. So according to this, my area is equal to 1/2 A times B times the sine of C times the sine of C. And you know what that is because obviously this is angle A, this is angle B, and traditionally angle C is always the largest angle in your triangle. So now what we're going to do is we are going to um, plug in 1/2 5 times 6 times the sine of 153. Well, what's 5 times 6? That's 30. Half of 30 is 15, so your answer is 15 times the sine of 153. So let's punch that in our calculator. We do the sine of 153, and we multiply it by 15, and you get 6.81. So our area is 6.81 square units. I don't know what we're in, but if we were in feet, it'd be square feet. Real simple, real easy. All right, so here is another formula. This one's actually pretty cool. This one is called Heron's formula. It is still the same thing as if you're going to find area, except now you have this goofy looking formula. The S in here stands for half the perimeter because you have A plus B plus C and cut it in half. So instead of writing that a bunch of times, basically you just use this. So it's the square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. That's Heron's formula. You use this when you have side, side, side. Okay? You use this when you have side, side, side. So check it out. Here's an example of where this works. Find the area of the triangle whose side lengths are 8, 10, and 14. So first thing we want to do, we want to find S, which is 1/2 A plus B plus C. You take 1/2 of A plus B plus C. So take half of 8 plus 10 plus 14. So what is 8 plus 10 plus 14? You do 8 plus 10 plus 14, and then you get in it, I think that's something like 32, you take half of that. So your S is 16, right? That's your half perimeter. Now you plug it into Heron's formula. Heron's formula, which you probably don't remember, was this, the square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. So you plug that in, so the square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. All right? So plug these numbers in. Square root, and it's going to be 16 times 16 minus 8 times 16 minus 10 times 16 minus 14. And when you do that, you get the square root of 16 times 8 times 6 times 2. So 8 times times 6 times 2 times 16. That's going to get you the square root of 1,536. Now, they want the area, so in this case, we're literally going to take the square root of that, and we get approximately 39.19 square units, whatever we're in, okay? So that's it. It's super simple. Hopefully you get it. Good luck, and may the force be with you.